A gentle writing practice. This is for the days you forget your worth, for the days you feel small, tired, and visible. You don't need to fix anything, you just need to come home to yourself. Let's begin. A guided journaling practice, soft, slow, and honest. If I believed I was enough, what would I stop apologizing for? What do I love about who I am when no one's watching? What do I need to forgive myself for today? You are not what you regret. You are what you choose now. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Even in quiet ways, you are becoming whole again. Come back to this space whenever you need it. Your worth was never missing. It was just waiting for you to remember.